If your Samsung Galaxy A25 is losing signal, it could be due to software glitches that disrupt the phone's ability to maintain a stable network connection. Physical obstructions such as buildings or other large structures can also interfere with the signal. Here's what you can do to fix it. The first step is to force restart your device. This can resolve minor software glitches and bugs that might be causing the signal loss. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until the device vibrates and restarts. When the Samsung logo appears, release both buttons and allow the device to boot up completely. If the problem persists after this, try moving to an open area, as buildings and other large structures can sometimes interfere with your phone's signal. You can also reset the mobile network settings, which is often the most effective solution to signal issues on your phone. To do this, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General Management. Then, tap on Reset, select Reset Mobile Network Settings, and finally, tap Reset Settings to proceed. If the problem continues, you should contact your carrier or service provider to inquire about the network status in your area. Signal issues are often due to outages or other network-related problems. Calling tech support is also a good way to report the problem and get further assistance. We hope this troubleshooting guide helps you resolve the signal issues on your Samsung Galaxy A25.